Yaani, this space is small. I'm just struggling to move. Woo! I know the joy. Ha! Because these ninis are normally high. Another day, another vlog. Yeah, that air fryer is really noisy. So I think I'll switch it off first and then do the intro. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I'm in the middle of making dinner. Anyway, let me do the intro properly. Another day, another vlog. Anyway, guys, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. If you are new here, my name is Nasimiyu. Trust me, you will love our vibes on here. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know the vibe. Welcome back, babe. Welcome back. Actually thought it was still whatever. Anyway, guys, so as I've mentioned, I'm in the middle of making dinner, but I wanted to come on here and, should I say, rant a bit, or I don't know. Anyway, so as you had seen in the previous video, I ended up getting a fridge, which you're seeing here, right here. So my current struggle is space, guys. I think I mentioned this when I was getting the cooker. My kitchen has become so small. Even the space that I'm shooting from, you guys, as you can see, it's really a small space that I'm left with over here, which is kind of frustrating, to say the least. And then again, a major problem is, guys, the fridge door. Is it really a door? Can't open. Okay, I'm exaggerating. When I try opening this bottom part, it touches the sink over here, which is frustrating. So let me just show you guys what I mean. This is what I mean. So when I open this part, I don't really have a problem with this part, because this part doesn't touch the sink. But again, please, I know this video is all over the place, but I know that I need to get fridge organizers, because I've just like dumped stuff in there. Anyway, we'll worry about that later. But now the biggest problem, let me move this ring light a bit, is this part. I'm even scared of opening it. So when I open, you see what happens? It touches the sink. So I have to be really cautious anytime I'm opening it, so that I don't end up like having dents on the fridge. Yeah, as you can see, I just like kind of restocked the fridge and all, but that is besides the point of the video. Then for the space that I'm left with, guys, this is just the only space that I'm left to work with, which is kind of small. So I really struggle even shooting content from the kitchen, because I have to bring in the ring light and I don't have enough space to put it. Let me adjust you guys a bit. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, there's need for me to start house hunting again. Because space has really become a factor. So I've actually decided that I won't be buying any more stuff for this house until I get a spacious house. I don't want to really say that I won't be buying more stuff. Of course, I'll buy like small stuff, because I need to get a blender as well. But for major purchases, I think I'll just have to wait until I get a house. Because apart from the space issue, another issue is that are they called corridors? When I'm maybe like transporting stuff. So in short, nikijaribu kupandisha vitu upstairs, because naishi 4th floor, the spaces in between, sijui kama niite corridor, what should I call them? Like, it's just a slim space. So I really struggle a lot when it comes to transporting things all the way to 4th floor. Actually, this fridge currently has how many dents? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 dents as a result of that. I'll show you that as well. But I feel like I just need to start house hunting, because this is gonna be frustrating. Yeah. So guys, just stay tuned, because I think I'll be shooting that content for you guys. I don't really know which area I want to house hunt around, but I'll figure that out as time goes by. But yeah, I feel like I should really prioritize that. It's been frustrating, but I'm not really complaining. I mean, it's progress, right? Yeah, so that is all I wanted to say. What's that now? Oh, it's the door. Sorry, guys. As I'd mentioned, I was in the middle of making dinner. So I want to make chicken. I don't even know if it's ready. Yeah, I think I should give it like 5 more minutes. I want to make dinner. And then once I'm done, I'm having chicken and salad. So of course I'll show you guys that, but I need to turn this thing on again for like 5 minutes, and then my food will be ready, and then we can plate that together. Then I'll close the vlog. Oh, and damn, I look so good in pink.
Últimamente nuestras charlas son comparecencias. Un pasito más para la indulgencia. Un abogado por si acaso, y si el juez está de paso, termina dictaminando la sentencia. Salimos presuntos de inocencia. Así estamos todos por si nos arrepentimos. Si nadie es culpable, pues culpamos al destino con el.
So I'm just putting cucumbers and some tomatoes. You know, my friends say that I eat funny stuff. But anyways. And then I'm gonna do lettuce. I'm very poor when it comes to plating food. Yo, I'm not even trying to put in effort. And then I also made this sauce to go with it. So it's just mayo, barbecue sauce, and what? Oh, and tomato sauce and ketchup, if I'm not wrong.
Son comparecencias. Un pasito más para abogado por si acaso, y si el juez está de paso, termina dictaminando la sentencia. Salimos presuntos de inocencia.
Yep. And then I think this one I'll have to remove later because I need to wash it. And I'm gonna do a little bit of that sauce. I know I'm saying a little bit, but it's like I'm putting the whole the whole of it. But anyways, and then I'm gonna do avocado as well. Only this space is small. I'm just struggling to move. Woo! I know the joy, the joy. Ha! Anyway. This is how my plate looks like. Wait, I think I'll just have to add like black pepper. I think that's enough. So this is how my plate looks like. So I'm having avocado, chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, And then I'm also heating up the chicken broth. So let me just get a cup so that I can just drink from the cup. Healthy living. Man. So as I wait for that to heat up, I've missed you guys, and I'm grateful for the support that you guys have been showing me. I don't take it for granted, and I love you guys so much, so much, from the bottom of my heart. But I'm not even joking. I know it sounds like I'm joking, but I'm not. I appreciate the support, guys. Truly, I appreciate the support. Anyway, yeah, we don't want you to be too hot, man. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, so did I put salt in here? I think, did I? I think I'll do more pepper instead of salt. Yeah. So it needs to go back up here. Up there. I need to stir and get a fork as well. No, I don't like this fork. I need to get. Yeah, guys, so that is just it. That is my dinner. It's currently, I think, around 6 p.m. I love eating early so that food can get enough time to get digested and stuff. But that is what I have. And for this, I might do that and end up costing whatever. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I think you can. And I think I still need to add salt. I'm about to climb on here, so msishangae, because these ninis are normally high. I'm sure I'm not the only one who does this, Saki. And then I have to be careful. Excuse me, guys. So I'm just adding this herbal sea salt. I think I'm going to add it in here as well. Here. I think that is enough. Again, I'm climbing. I didn't even pray. Anyway, guys, the goal is not for you to watch me as I eat. Yeah, so as I'd mentioned, I'll start doing house hunting soon. Probably, I think this week, though I had already checked out some houses, but I didn't really find any that fits my vibe. But this time round, I'll be so intentional in checking out the houses, and then I'll tag you guys along with me. So stay tuned. Yeah, I'm hoping that you did enjoy this short video. I don't know if it was all over the place, but yo, regardless, I'm hoping that you did enjoy it. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys once we start the house hunting series. Yeah. What else am I supposed to say? Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once we start the house hunting series. So I'll just enjoy my dinner and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.